Here's the app called Alta Daily, your personal AI stylist. It's in top charts right now. Alta is your personal AI stylist, elevates your style and generates personalized outfits based on your closet, lifestyle, budget, and weather for any day or special event. Most people wear less than 20% of their clothes regularly, and everyday clothing decisions impact your mood and how you present yourself in all aspects of life. Alta's mission is to help everyone to look and feel their best and is advised by celebrity stylists from Vogue. So you can just get daily outfit suggestions, generate outfit for any event. Just AI app to organize your closet basically. There are like hundreds of these apps already, and there isn't yet an app which kind of nailed this niche. So this is another attempt. So you can just forward your email receipts to create your closet. That's a pretty cool feature. You can add a closet from Alta database. You can take a photo and have Alta find the original photo, and then use AI to remove backgrounds. Then you just organize all your items in this app. And then you can also have packing lists. Then you have shopping recommendations, virtual try on, and then there is also like a web app which you can try in here. So it's just what you have. Here is the app, what you can try. So yeah, you can just open it up, and then here is how you can proceed to create an account. So here, let's just try it out with Apple ID. Trace your path. So create. Then this is the onboarding. So this is just what you can see in here, whatever you like. So just as an example. And then, this is your AI stylist. You can add to your cloud, you can get stylist, save, and then train. And this is the account. Just add to your, you can add photos, search items. Then it just adds it. So for example, you can just save it. Then you can just search it. And then for example, you can just category. You can just have it like that. You need to get at least 5 items. This is just an idea for you. Then you can just add it here, and then this is just the idea. Then you have items. Then you have automatically suggestions for you what you can use. Then you have you can just try to go in there. You can then just select and use your avatar for it. Then you have your look in here. Then you can restyle it. So then you have your closet details. Then you have your looks book. Then you have your home. So yeah, that's the idea. And you can also invite friends in here. So you can invite friends, and then just use this link. So feel free to use my link in here. And then you have calendar, you have trips, pretty cool. You have weather suggestions, which weather is this now. Then you have some inspiration, what people sharing, like depending are you a guy or a girl. Probably there are a lot of AI models or just scraped from web. But yeah, here you have it, and then you have your closet. Then So that's basically the idea. And then you can also have this little AI chatbot in here, and yeah, quite cool. You can then just select your style in here, and yeah, so that's the idea of the app. Pretty cool. Really nice looking app, I think. No, this called Flagship AI. I saw this developer company already built a few other apps like that. But yeah, quite cool. So definitely give it a try.